Okay, for 7-9 it says consider this sequence. And A says, can it be arithmetic? Well, from 40 to 20 we subtract 20, but then from 20 to 10 we don't subtract 20, so it cannot be arithmetic. So A is arithmetic. Right? No. And then geometric, we divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. So geometric is yes, because we can multiply by 1/2 each time. Right? Something along those lines. Okay, B says assume it's geometric. We're not assuming, we know it is, right? On graph paper, plot the sequence on a graph up to n equals 6. So, right, you see what they're getting at, right? So the graph is, and this is a very rough graph, right? So when x is 1, we're up at 40, right? And when x is 2, we're half that, right? And then x is 3, we're half that. And then 4, we're half that. And 5, we keep getting smaller. So, right, it looks like that. That's B, right? And then C, will the values of the sequence ever become 0 or negative? No. And I won't write the reason, but the reason is because we continually take a half of the last value. So no matter how small the last value is, we're never going to get to 0, because half of a really small number is a smaller number, but not 0. So this is going to continually get closer and closer, right, but never actually hit the x-axis.